Okay, with this one, what I'm looking for is any triangle that I can find with two things that I know about it. And I guess you just have a bit of a look, and I know that's 4, and that's 8.7, and there's my triangle. We need to look closely here. This straight line, there's my vertical. If that's a right angle, then that's a right angle. So that green thing is a right angle triangle. So let's just draw it terribly. There's theta, there's 4, tan theta. Let's arctan. I'm going to bypass that. And I think the answer is 24.7 degrees. So it's just a matter of finding that triangle, but now I've found theta. I'm just going to start again, because now I know theta is 24.7, so all of a sudden I know something else. So let's have another look at whether I know another triangle. I guess green worked for me last time. I think I'm still going to go with this 8.7. And there's another triangle. Interesting. Okay. Clearly I'm struggling to use technology. There's another right angle there, which means the green one again is a right angle triangle. So if I draw it, that's a right angle, 8.7, and I know that's 24.7, and this thing is y. So I'm thinking that sine equals O on H, and a handy dandy calculator. Y is 3.63. So I think just pulling that single triangle out and uncomplicating the diagram and just going step by step is the way. And I'm just going to keep going, because I'm gradually filling in the things that I don't know, I guess. Let's go over here. So I'm going to label that as angle beta. Because over here I've got a right angle, which means that's a right angle. So in that big red triangle, that is a triangle, another right angle triangle. So let's just look in that green triangle. Go back to blue. That would be cos. Cos beta is A over H. Let's arc cos that. And clearly in there's a right angle. So we've got alpha plus beta must be 90. So alpha has to be 38.68. Takes a bit to see that, but there you go. Now clearly I'm going to drill in, because all of a sudden I know alpha. And there's my last little right angle triangle. As we've gone through, it's actually getting a little bit easier. So I know alpha is 38.68. That's 2.5. That's a right angle. And this is my unknown, which is my hypotenuse. So I'm thinking that would be cos. Cos equals A on H. And from there, X becomes 3.2. So it's strategy more than anything if you can isolate those triangles and just look for triangles that you know two things in and work your way through it. Not too hard.